Today, we're introducing Expo Agent. Expo is the leading open source framework for building mobile apps with JavaScript and React. And for years now, you've been able to add any custom native code you want to your Expo app. But the complexity of working with Swift, Objective-C, Java, Kotlin makes it just a little too impractical for most projects, features, and developers. But Expo Agent changes that. It's an agent that can write full, robust native code right from your browser. We're talking Swift UI and Jetpack Compose all from a conversation. The agent knows how and when to generate complex native code from a prompt. It plans out the best use of rich native functionality with scripting features like instant over-the-air updates, hot reloading, and server-side rendering. Let me show you. I asked the agent to build a quick app for the Expo blog. It spun up previews across all platforms, iOS, Android, and web. It generated the code, validated its output, and we can see the results live. Native animations, gestures, everything tuned per platform. Now, on web, we ran into a little bit of an issue fetching data. It's a CORS issue, classic. This is because we don't have a backend set up. So we can just ask the agent. It can check the logs, see what's going on, and spin up a serverless API route for us instantly. This works across all platforms, and this pattern enables us to protect secrets and environment variables for third-party integrations. But here's where it gets really fun. When you build a native app, you're not limited to the browsers. You have access to anything that the device is capable of. We can add a home screen widget, rich push notifications, or even build an Apple Watch app. If you can imagine it and the device can do it, Expo Agent will probably build it. Here, it's spinning up new targets, writing all the Swift UI code, configuring entitlements, and hooking everything up to the server from earlier. And the best part is we can test all this without having to join the Apple Developer Program. We just ask the agent to build for simulators. Here in the Builds tab, we can see all the builds, and we can run right on device using our companion desktop app, which is available everywhere. When you're ready to ship, deploy to the App Store and the web right from the browser. Need an APK for Android? Just ask the agent. It has full access to EAS Build, the leading mobile deployment platform. This honestly feels like having a forward deployed mobile engineer ready to spin up and solve all of your meatiest native issues at any moment. We're opening the waitlist today, so sign up and be among the first to try it and start building mobile apps from anywhere. We can't wait to see what you build with this.